Absolutely love to pen pal with your class. The people could fly. I am on my date with my husband. Welcome back. Day number 4 in my classroom. Today, teachers were required for our first day back to school. So we have PD or boot camp this week. Today is Wednesday, the 17th. It is almost 11:30. We have to report back to the cafeteria at 1. I have my kids here with me. Not getting much work done in my classroom. Eating lunch now. I do have some good news, which is why I came on the camera today. So if you ride downtown here in this city, it's a sign that says, "You have a twin city, blah, blah, blah," in Japan. So if you're new here, I lived in Japan for quite a few years, and so that went right straight to my heart, right? And I was like, get out of here. So I said, I gotta do something with this, right? So I just started contacting people. I went on Facebook, literally, and found some different places in that town and started contacting people. Hey, you're a twin city, we share demographics, blah, blah, blah. Would you be interested in pen pal with some 6th graders in America? And I did that maybe 3 weeks ago now. One company got back to me and they said, I can hook you up with administration of education or whatever, but this is not what we do here. So I said, I was in the middle of getting ready for the school year, so I was planning out like my project-based lessons. So I said, well, if I get to it, I get to it, right? So I checked my text messages this morning, and one of the schools from Japan got back to me. She said, I teach English. I would absolutely love to pen pal with your class. So I'm really, really excited about that. Otherwise, I am in PD. First day of PD, we are learning, welcome back. Here are the safety instructions that we're going to do this year. Here's new staff this year. And so getting to meet everyone, it's been fun. Today we had to be here at 8 a.m. I've been on summer schedule, so that was hard to do. But otherwise, that's how my day's going so far. Yesterday, I actually cheer coached for a whole different school. I cheer coach for the school that my twins go to. And so yesterday I had an open night. It's called, well, I don't want to tell you what it's called because you might, but where all the sports teams for the whole elementary, middle, and high school get together, and it's a big celebration. So we did that last night. My cheerleaders did awesome. I'm getting ready to go finish my lunch. Today for lunch we had potato bar. So we had it had potatoes, broccoli, bacon, cheese, and you had a choice of salads. You could either pick an antipasta salad or just what books are a must for going back to school? Let me show you some of mine. Every year I read these books. The Girl Who Never Made Mistakes, when we're learning about the power of yet. The People Could Fly. This is just, I love this book. It's just an African myth. I never heard about it, and I didn't want my children to continue in the same path that I had, so I read them. The People Could Fly. What if everybody did that? And this is just really about what if everyone shouted out at the same time? Or what if everyone honked their horn at the same time, right? Fantastic brain. And then I kind of let the kids thumb through these because it is a picture book with lots of writing now. It's a great book. I started this in 2nd grade and I've done it every year since. The Recess Queen, Mean Jean, the Recess Queen. And as we're going to set goals, so that'd be the last day of the first week before we're actually getting ready to start academic learning, we read about big plans and we set some goals. What are your must reads when you come back to school? I lost my first gray hair this morning. I thought it was a piece of lint and pulled it right out. Back. It's the next day. I don't know what day of the vlog I'm actually on. Bookshelves are moving. This final bookshelf is leaving by Saturday. So right now I have my son filling this up with curriculum. Books for me. Baby, don't forget to move the rugs out of the way so you can use that last shelf. I have about 20 minutes before today's PD starts. And yeah, it's getting there. It's slowly but surely getting there. My desk is a mess again. But yeah. I'll talk to you when something interesting happens. Hi. So we are out on an adventure. It's Friday, the last Friday of the first week of boot camp, and normally we do something. So before, our principal has taken us on a cruise. We've been to her house. She lives on the back of the lake. Well, today she gave us money and said, go create the best day in town. I'm here to eat. I've never been, so this is a new place. You can see Lake Michigan behind me. Lake Michigan. And crispy Brussels. And what was this called? Pulled pork? Pulled chicken bowl?
Smoked chicken.
It's 3 o'clock. I'm back in the classroom. Bookshelves are going. My class is huge. The video can't do it justice. Class is humongous. So we just got back from our scavenger hunt. I ended up with some popcorn from Boy Scouts. It's 3 o'clock. I'm headed out. Headed on a date tonight, and I'll take you guys with me. So I am on my date with my husband of 16 years. If you're new here, I've been married for 16 years. And just wanted to relax. And so at our house, our backyard is not big enough for a hot tub. So we visit this little local spa for an hour and a half at a time. We can play our music, and it's different themes. So, yeah, I'm gonna change into my bathing suit and enjoy my night. So, until the next time, let me give you a quick tour. They have a toilet, a shower, the radio, a mirror. My husband's over there not quite dressed, and some pretty little flowers or decorations. All right, until next time, bye.